Hello and welcome back to Yoruba Life TV. Today we are talking about destiny. We all want to live a life of purpose, but what if I told you the map to your purpose is already inside you? In Yoruba spirituality, this concept is called Ori. It is the most important part of you. In fact, it is you. I am going to teach you all about it. We will explore what Ori is. We will also learn why it is so powerful. Then we will discover how to connect with it. So what is Ori? The word Ori literally means head in the Yoruba language. But in a spiritual sense, it is so much more. Your physical head is where your consciousness lives. Your spiritual Ori is like your inner head. It is your personal divinity. Think of it as your spiritual consciousness. It is your soul. It is the part of you that knows your true part. Before you were born, you stood before Olodumare. Olodumare is the supreme creator. You chose your destiny. You chose the person you will become. Your Ori, remember this choice. It holds the secret to your destiny. It is the guide for your life's journey. It is also your first and most important Orisha. Why is Ori so powerful? Because it is your direct link to the divine. You don't need a priest to talk to your Ori. You don't need a special ceremony. It is with you always. It is your spiritual GPS. Your Ori has power. It can bring you good fortune. It can also protect you from harm. When you listen to your Ori, you make good decisions. You follow your true path. This brings you success and happiness. When you ignore your Ori, you feel lost. You feel unhappy. You face obstacles. The Yoruba saying is Ori Buruku. This means bad head or bad destiny. It happens when you make choices against your true self. So, how do you connect with this powerful force inside us? It's all about building a relationship. First, practice self-awareness. Pay attention to your feelings. Pay attention to your intuition. That little voice in your head, that is often your Ori speaking to you. When something feels right, it is your Ori giving you a green light. When something feels wrong, it is your Ori warning you. Secondly, meditate and reflect. Take a few minutes each day. Sit in a quiet place. Close your eyes. Focus on your head. You don't need to do anything special. Just be still. Ask your Ori for guidance. Listen for answers. They may come as an idea, a feeling, or a clear thought. Thirdly, honor your Ori. You can create a small sacred space. This is a place for your Ori. It can be a simple shrine. You can place a picture of yourself there. It is a way of showing respect. It is a way of saying, I see you, I honor you. Then fourthly, live a life of good character. In Yoruba belief, good character is called Iwa Pele. This is extremely important. When you are kind, honest, and respectful, you create a clear path. Your Ori can guide you more easily. Bad character blocks this connection. Your destiny is not a mystery. It is not something that happens to you. It is something you create. Your Ori is your greatest tool. It is your personal power. It holds the secret to your purpose. Start today. Listen to your inner voice. Make choices that honor your true self. By doing this, you are manifesting your destiny. You are living a better life. This is the core message of Yoruba spirituality. It is about taking charge of your own journey. Thank you for joining us on this spiritual journey. Please like this video, subscribe to Get Better Life TV, share this video with a friend. In my next video, we will explore the concept of Ashe. We will learn about the divine energy that powers everything. Until then, be well. And remember, your destiny is in your head. Thank you and bye for now.